How to change the product price in Shopify. Once you're in your Shopify admin board, let's just go to the left hand side here and press on products. In here, you'll see your current products. Right now, my current products is only a t-shirt. Let's click on that. Here we're editing that product. We can change the name, the description, the media, but we want to change the price. And it'll be here, the pricing. Right now, the t-shirt is set at 2,000 rupiahs, and we can also compare that price, cost per item, the profit, the margin, etc. So for example, the cost per item to make a t-shirt is around 1,000 rupiah. And our profit is only 1,000 rupiah with the 50% margin. So let's change that. If it costs us 1,000 rupiah per t-shirt to make this, let's make the t-shirt cost around 10,000 rupiah. Oops, too much zeros there. There you go. ₹10,000. And now our profit is 9,000 rupiah with a 90% margin. You can also change the stock keeping, the barcode, etc., etc. After you're done with that, make sure to save it up here. And now your product price should be changed. If you make a product, a new one as well, for example, I want to make pants. Once you make a new product, you can also just straight up change the price from the get-go. If, for example, I want the price to be this time 20,000 and the cost per item is around 10,000. It's a 50% margin. Let's save that. And that is how you change the product price in Shopify. It's as easy as that.